gonna chug this and see how long it takes me to burp. I'm at the park, so.
Wait, you said hard. I said that hard. Try again.
Dr. Pepper is so good though, no cap.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. You gotta break it. Stop. 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 You're gonna break it. Can you push? Not yet. Then we both have to do what we want. I don't.
Excuse me. I just swallowed my burp. Freak.